Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on the topics importance of the war in Africa. What was the situation which led the British general to attack and enter into the African region? Now we are going to continue as Italy had already declared the war against Allied powers after the fall of France. So Mussolini's ultimate object was to capture the British colonies in North Africa along with Egypt, and Mussolini not alone, support of Germany also. In fact, Suez Canal, Italy had some initial success, but the British army took the possessions of the African colonies of Italy. Now, in this situation, Hitler then came to power to help Italy and German army under Rommel, the desert fox, who appeared in North Africa. And there were two battles of El Alamein in western desert of Campaign. The first battle was fought on northern coast of Egypt between the Axis forces of Germany and Italy under Rommel, known as the desert fox. Now, in this situation, with the defensive attitude, the defensive measures were undertaken at the west of Alexandria. The approaches to Cairo, Mussolini went to Libya to prepare his entry into Cairo. Thus, in the second El Alamein battle, which took place, very soon Rommel's army reached there, and thus the second battle fought in October-November, the Allied forces under British General Montgomery defeated Rommel's army. And thus the African project of Mussolini was thus a failure and proved to be the prelude to his fail. Prelude means the coming form of war which was going on was the failure only. There was a various significance of the victory is given here. Most the possibility of union between Axis forces in Middle East and those in the Ukraine was one of the most important significant. Next, the attack on Russia, the causes. Here Hitler's intervention in attack on Russia. Hitler took up his most cherished and ambitious scheme of attacking Russia as known as Operation Barbarossa. Hitler made elaborate arrangements invasion of Russia's three sites, Leningrad, Moscow and Ukraine, which came in German army, and thus German advance through Ukraine was spectacular and was very soon they reached as far as Caucasus Post, and thus German army reached Stalingrad at the end 1942, retreating the Russian army by destroying all bridges. German advancement was railways to prevent the German advancement. This was known as scorched policy. Hence, you have to read this topic: failure, Operation Barbarossa, invasion of France, fall of Germany, Japan. In the next worksheet, the question related to these topics will be given, an explanation also. US entry, that means Japan's entry into the war against America, an attack of Pearl Harbor will be discussed. Thank you. Until this